Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rocket League. You are not connected to Epic Games easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, first open your Epic Games. Now click here, sign out, and then sign in again. And after that, just try to launch it again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now just your restart your computer, and now go to task manager, and after restarting it just go here on click on Epic Games, right click on it and click end task. Now just type here Epic Games and launch it, and now just try again and your problem must be fixed. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.